Ladies and gentlemen, take your seats, get set. Tonight's program is just about to take off. Tonight, you'll experience the show that won Best Production at the South Queensland Entertainer of the Year Awards for 3 years in a row. It's the fabulous sounds of the 60s Show.
I can't get no satisfaction. I can't hide, I can't hide, I can't hide. Yeah, you got that song. Asking Ben to hold your hand, not me, me. I'll make you have it. This is a 60s show. I'll make you have it. Where is all that screaming?
Hi, this is Johnny Young. I trust you're enjoying the fabulous sounds of the 60s Show. Here's a number one song from '69 that I wrote for Russell Morris.
And the girl that I hold will give all of her love in her heart.
I get around,
Get around, round, round, I get around. Get around, round, round, I get around.
Please welcome to centre stage, the Love Bugs.
By the way, where'd you meet him?
I met him at the candy store. You turn around and smile to me, you get the picture?
Yes, we see.
That's when I fell for the leader of the pack.
Oh, let our love above. Please, John, the tip, you know I.
Jimmy out. Okay. Everybody watch Jimmy, please.
Oh, that's
A lot better.
Yeah, they did better work.
See what they do with the little guy? It's beautiful.
Might have